In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for business strategy. By the end, you'll know how to turn this tool into a practical partner for clearer goals, sharper marketing, stronger planning, and faster execution, all while keeping your data safe and your decisions grounded. Begin by clarifying your business goals and challenges. Share a concise snapshot of your situation and ask ChatGPT to brainstorm solutions to specific problems, like stalled sales or high churn. Request a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis to surface internal capabilities and external factors you might be overlooking. Then push for ideas around growth, expansion, and innovation, whether that's entering a new segment, launching a complementary service, or optimizing pricing. Tie everything back to precise objectives, such as increasing retention by a certain percentage or improving conversion in a key channel, and ask for strategies mapped to those targets. The more context you provide, industry, audience, budget range, and time horizon, the more relevant the output. Avoid sharing sensitive information. Generalize details when needed. With your goals in view, shift to marketing and customer engagement. Ask ChatGPT to draft targeted campaign concepts and a content plan that reflects your buyer journey. Have it generate customer personas and audience insights drawn from the behaviors and needs you describe. Use it to outline social media calendars, email sequences, and branding narratives that stay consistent across platforms. If you have reviews, survey notes, or support transcripts, paste anonymized excerpts and ask for themes, pain points, and quick wins for improvement. Then, request measurement ideas so every campaign has clear success criteria. Next, support decision-making and planning. Ask ChatGPT to produce a concise business plan or strategic outline, including market context, positioning, value proposition, revenue model, and key risks. Explore competitor comparisons and market positioning ideas, and request advantages, gaps, and differentiation angles. For projects, have it create step-by-step action plans with timelines, resources, and checkpoints so execution is clear. To stay ahead, ask for forecasts of trends and potential opportunities, along with scenarios and assumptions you can test as real data arrives. Finally, increase productivity and efficiency. Automate repetitive writing and research tasks, like first drafts of memos, FAQs, and job descriptions. Generate reports, presentations, and summaries quickly by asking for executive-ready overviews and slide outlines. Improve team communication with standardized templates for briefs, meeting notes, and status updates. Use these outputs to save time while supporting data-driven decisions you validate with your own metrics. Review, adapt, and iterate. When you pair your expertise with ChatGPT's structure and speed, you'll make smarter strategic moves faster.